Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a ghost crewmate from Among Us. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. Also, if you want to see more Among Us drawing tutorials, please check out the links in the description box below. Okay, now let's get started. We're going to start off by drawing his face shield. Draw a horizontal line for the top and curve it downwards on the right side. Now on the left side, draw a line down and then curve it inwards. Close off the bottom with a straight line. Next, draw the top of the head. Start at the top right corner of the face shield and curve it up and to the left. Continue this line down on the left side. Draw the other side of the body with a straight line down here and curve it in at the bottom, kind of like a long letter J. Now we'll draw the bottom of the ghost. Continue the bottom line inwards. Now curve it down and back in. Bring it back up and out like this. Curve it out and up. Now we'll finish off the tail. From the left side we drew earlier, draw a line and connect it to the bottom. Lastly, add his backpack by drawing a rounded rectangle on his back. And that's it for this Among Us ghost. Let's color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.